Right, this is the man. Shoaib Akhtar, who's made some quite big statements about what he's going to do to one or two of these Australians. And we'll see one thing, that is for sure, he'll bowl fast. I just hope he can keep control of it. Right, so Shoaib Akhtar now on his way to bowl his first ball in World Cup 2003. Oh, and a bouncer first up. Oh, what a delivery. A steepling delivery. Straight at the head of the striker, Mathew Hayden. We got a little war in our hands here.
And the crowds loved it. Great take by Rashid Latif. He's very acrobatic. Shoaib is quick. Pressure on the batsman here. The slip cordon has been pushed back. Well, this is not a loosener from Shoaib Akhtar. He's tested the pitch, and look at that ball taking off. And Rashid Latif really had to stretch for that take. Wonderful viewing.
Can't wait, can he? Can't wait to get at him. Here we go again. Outside off stump, whistling through to the keeper. Hayden on strike, Shoaib Akhtar. Oh, that's a beautiful delivery. And pretty well left as well. 93.8 miles an hour. That's a very fast delivery. He's not taking too much time warming up here. And he's at him straight from the word go. Have a look at this.
Very accurate. That ball came back very sharply. Mathew Hayden was surprised a little with that kind of lift and the movement.
Yes, it nipped back off the seam, back into the left-hander. So a beautiful delivery, but pretty well played too by Hayden. He's got that away nicely. Just a little bit too straight. Hayden will be thinking about two here. This is a beautiful pitch, and it's a magnificent outfield as well. Lovely day in Joburg. Well, that's a good line, and again, pretty quick delivery. It's a good start by Shoaib. Oh, he's beaten him. He's beaten him all ends up. That's a magnificent delivery. 95 miles an hour. It's 9 for none. One target, pitched outside leg stump. Half-hearted appeal, not out. Well, I see that one thing hasn't changed, mate. As far as extras are concerned, Pakistan are letting them go again. A few wides, although I think they've behaved on the no ball front so far. But over the years, they've been a little naughty in terms of wides and no balls. And of course, it does create a problem for them because it slows things down, and they don't want to lose an over.
Yes, that'll be a big worry for Waqar Yunus, because they're known to be very slow with the over rates.
Oh, good delivery on target, then nicely played again away onto the onside, staying away from his offside just a little bit. A third slip is in position, so they fancy him in that area. Shoaib to Ponting. Oh, what a good delivery. He was jumping around all over the place. That was angled in as well.
Yes, you need to bowl straight to Ricky Ponting when he is just there at the crease, just come in. This was far too quick for the new batsman. Beaten for pace, beaten for bounce. The Pakistani bowlers would be wanting him to play across the line towards the onside. It was just a mid-on in place, and finally the two men on the onside.
Oh, that's well left. It's a fast delivery, whistling through to the keeper. One of the things that you've got to be good at in the Pakistan side if you're a weak here, and that's getting off the ground.
Well, he's getting the ball to jump. Nicely judged by Ricky Ponting, but Rashid Latif really had to stretch himself once again to collect that one. Shoaib Akhtar is on fire here. Slowest ball 89.4, maintaining an average speed of 92. Well, this is extremely explosive stuff.
Down to fine leg. Just the single. Quite right. 15 for 1. He's played and missed again. 3 runs off the over, 15 for 1.